All right. Um, so today here we've got news 15 minutes after NY opens, and we got another one 2 hours later. Once the first news is done, we'll see if we're gonna get it set up before the second news. If not, today's session might be choked as well, but we'll see what happens. Gold sales look so free. Yeah, right now I am looking for sales, but we gotta wait for this news. Yeah. You're targeting 336. 333. Yeah, pretty much all the way down to this 1 hour demand. Yeah, I see gold getting down to this 1 hour demand at least, but we'll see. See if we can break below 3370. Man, you got big balls. I getting all the way down here. Yeah. Oh man. I hope everyone had a good London session. Did I enter the short and retail of the previous high? No, London session I actually didn't take sales. I took these buys. London session. Right here, right now, universal code, we are currently rejecting off of this big 1 hour support right here. That is where we are currently rejecting. I do not see it holding though. I see it breaking, simply because when, give me a second, simply because when we created this high, came all the way down, price failed to break the previous low that created the high, and we're still bearish on this on the lower time frame. Went all the way up, we rejected the previous minor high slash supply, came back down, and then we went back up and rejected again. From this rejection here, we have this strong push, aggressive selling to the downside. So we might see price creating another lower high here for price to continue to the downside. This is potentially what I see happening. I do see this price breaking out. However, we got news. News might change. News might change that. But for now, I do see this low breaking. That is why I did not mark that 1 hour support the way I just did previously. Because it does not make sense for us not to break this low. So if we can break this low pretty much, go into the 15-minute here. We are currently reacting to this 15-minute supply right now. Once we break this support, I'm going to mark up this 15-minute supply, going back to the 5-minute if we do get a 5-minute setup, and then I'll look to take that. This will be what I will be looking for. So we'll see what gold is gonna do. I said this low looks super fragile. Very thin ice. Never know. Yeah, strong selling to the downside. Even if gold is going to fake out sellers, continue to the upside, should at least come down to this low and possibly grab liquidity below this low. Since this low here is actually the major low of this range between 3357.2 and 3397.1. See what happens. Good morning, Joseph. Yeah, good morning, Edwin. And also, if price does otherwise, meaning if we do push up from here, we'll see if we can get in the buy train as well, because we're rejecting 3369.7 right now. So we'll need to see aggressive buying, back up the demand, and see what happens there. doubt that we're actually going to push up from here, because that would be crazy. But at the end of the day, this market has its own mind. It does whatever it wants. Price is in key area, which if I check the 4-hour time frame, I do not 100% agree with you, Michael. We in the minor key area. Even if we do go to the 4-hour here, we're in a minor key area. So if you look at, so this is the 4-hour time frame, right? Start from this high in this range. High, came down, created a support. Went back up, created a high, came down, created another support here at 3369.7. So the support we're reacting to now is a minor key area. It's not a major key area, but you still have a support down here. And once we break 3357 here on the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Up to the left hand side. So you have your major key area at 3357.2, and you have your minor key area at 3069.7, which is where we are reacting to right now on the lower time frame. So we're reacting to a minor key area right now. Ever since we created this low at 3357.2, price has not been able to break 3369.7. So it's been retested. 1, 2, we didn't really get it here. 3, 4. So it's been retested 4 times. The more we test, the stronger this low is going to get. Oh yeah, well, I don't trade BTC. Yeah, I know, Chica. Good morning, Eddie. Right now, before I actually start looking for sell based on the way I trade, supply and demand, as of right now, we're either going to have to break this low or we go high. Buy low, sell high at first. Buy low, buy at the cheapest zone, sell high, you buy at the most expensive. Two more minutes for news. Oh, well, here goes the news. Pushing up. So right now, the fact that we could not break 3369.7 does not look good for the sellers right now. Question is, can we break 3389.1 if this low at 3369.7 holds? Yeah.
I lost my best friend, now it's murder on my mind. Fuck what a nigga talking about, cause I'm on demon time. Made a whole lot of money, how did I spend every dime? Swear to God I do that shit every time. Won't be one, I won't tell you sorrow on you. Like 2 months ago, all you. Me then free my guys, wouldn't penalize you. I'd rather be dead wrong than be dead broke. Dealing with all these headaches, I need talent now. And I'm full of all of my mushy, my warm low. I'ma follow me with my channel low. Once I'm breaking back in my Solomon. And there's so much y'all don't know, cause I don't tell them nothing. They ain't heard from me so long, I've been on shadow mode. They know my story and my style is so compatible. Baba Lola follow me, oh yeah, con die on mo. May them free my guys, we them penalize you. It only take me small time, make I realize you. No matter how many times I fall, still I rise you. Still I rise you. Still there, yeah, still there, yeah. Still I rise you. Got a hot temper, don't make no bold threats. All this hot weather, waking up in cold sweats. Weather, my mind race host, think about my old flex. Used to FaceTime all the time, now we don't text. All these war scars, I'm in need of bandage. Made hella bands, still I feel abandoned. Made bangers, finna drop another one. Ride foreign, finna cop another one. Say I'm acting different, I don't come around. They quick to stab my back soon as I turn around. Jealousy and envy, see it in their eyes. This shit don't even offend me, I ain't surprised. No matter how many times I fall, still I rise.
Buying looks exhausted. That's how it starts.
Gold's super choppy. It should probably just keep chopping. Should just go back to the high, go back to the low.
Exactly. That's why right now the fact that this low did not break, I'm looking for buys right now. But it's gonna have to come back here though.
Yeah.
Money for my gun, I must go, I be like quick coup. Ha, bump times 2, booty on a lip coup. Yeah, guys, you know me, it's alright, I want, you know me. No matter where we did, they know me. No matter where we did, they know me. She said she get guy, you know me. It's alright, I want, you know me. No matter where we did, they know me. No matter where we did, they know me. 20 bottles, 9 them bring come, men them out to. Plenty income, plenty cash, 20 Bitcoin. Streets disappoint, change uniform. Tin tomato, tin tomato, see potato, see potato.
See how this 15-minute candle closes.
Now me go be scapegoat. See your bum bum, this your shape, go finish work, no mistake, confirm body, no debate, the light of young dust, it must be hate, Pico weto, guy with ego, I smoke claro, see my face, tin tomato, for this party we they participate, She get guys, you know me, it's alright, I want, you know me, no matter where we did, they know me, no matter where we did, they know me, she say she get guy, you know me, it's alright, I want, you know me, no matter where we did, they know me, no matter where we did, they know me, Money for my gun, I must go, I be like quick coup, today, I must not break goose, bum times 2, booty on the link coup, today, I must not baby goose, this bed to enter body, hold up, I go soon enter body, hold up, bigger me, it's like Unquabi, I go soon enter body, yeah, guys, she say, you know me, it's alright, I want, you know me, no matter where we did, they know me, no matter where we did, they know me.
I guess so. Can we get some likes? Frame.
Yeah, guys, you know me. It's alright, I want, you know me. No matter where we did, they know me. No matter where we did, they know me. She said she get guy, you know me. It's alright, I want, you know me. No matter where we did, they know me. No matter where we did, they know me. Money for my gun, I must go. I be like quick coup. Today, I must not break goose. Bum times 2, booty on the link coup. Today, I must not.
Universal codes, you thought the buys look exhausted. That's the thing about this market, man, about trading. Market does not care how we think, it's still going to do what it wants to do. Just got to do our best and follow what it does.
Yep.
And sit here from today to tomorrow for the whole year and analyze this, analyze that. The analysis doesn't mean shit. The market does not agree to it.
Militant like a sergeant. Dirty money, dirty money. I dey wash out like detergent. Streets on they change uniform. Me say go change uniform. Boys want they change out for me. I go put them for me score.
The number you have dialed is not available at present.
They want they change out for me. I go put them for me score. Shit on me, they want they wine. Why not be say we equal? Shit on me, they want they wine. Why not this one big equal?
Nas thinking. Alright, you know I don't trade now some Wednesdays and Fridays. Major high didn't get taken out, so I would expect this thing to freaking continue to the downside. But I could be wrong.
Streets when they come disappoint. Streets don't they change uniform. Shit like this we go there. Why not be say we they play? Shit like this we go there. Why not be say we they play? Enough in the place. Pepe stop on tough in the place. Won't let them back, walk on tough in the face. My lord disrespect, my leg off in the face. I maybe their daddy is not for debates. Belle never fool, but we soft in the place. I want to me yak by short for the kids. Toma yimu any I will soft in the face. If I show up in the place, I go show off in the place. Come on, yaki banga, go off in the place. If I show up in the place, I go show off in the place. My lord yaki banga, go off in the place. I know like vex, multi soft from the gates. I know like pest, multi cough in the gates. Moko di take me back to moko solidate. Mo down your mama that you should coordinate. Sumo me now, money sumo me now. It's something but this your phenomenon. Follow me talk, no do subliminal. That your friend I know like na criminal. Omo ele yakpa enough in the place. Pepe stop on tough in the place. Won't let them back, walk on tough in the face. My lord disrespect, mo leg off in the face. I maybe their daddy is not for debates. Belle never fool, but we soft in the place. I want to me yakpa is short for the kids. Toma yimu any I will soft in the face. If I show up in the place, I go chillin' with the headshots. Yes, boss, then go need Red Cross. Kilo con Mercedes, pẹ̀lú Lexus. Kilo con Gateman, pẹ̀lú Airport. Ejan la yato, si Titus. Insta blog, leno to the head knot. Ashana, we saying no be escort. Ashawo, we no like to they wear clothes. Fresh haircuts, pẹ̀lú dress up. Summertime short, nigga, white socks, Air Force. OG before IG, Emi ole calm down. Baban la parallelogram, lórí Instagram. Ọmọ ele yapa enough in the place. Pepe stop on tough in the place. Won't let them back, walk on tough in the face. My lord disrespect, my leg off in the face. I maybe their daddy is not for debates. Belle never fool, but we soft in the place. I want to me yak by short for the kids. Toma yimu any I will soft in the face. If I show up in the place, I go show off in the place. Come on, yaki banga, go off in the place. If I show up in the place, I go show off in the place. My lord yaki banga, go off in the place. We won't from prison, I got back on track and I signed me a deal. You live and you learn. They butchered my name, but I show no concern. I waited my turn. Now the tables done turn, I get what I deserve. Back on my grizzy. SMG business, we back on the scene. I say what I mean. It's straight to the top, it's just me and my team. Yeah, I just been putting in work. Every beat I get, I murk. I ride the beat like a surf. On the west side, we banging the surf. I got homies independence doing tennis, some and never coming home again. I know niggas trying to line me up, but if you let her tell it, they gon' say we friends. Way before I made a couple dollars, all these hoes was never trying to holler. Now we hit the club and fuck it up, and when we leave, these hoes be trying to follow. All the trials and tribulations I done been through turn me to a better man. On federal papers with these stipulations, that's the reason I've been going ham. Damn.
When times get hard, we don't ever complain. Charge it to the game, do my thing, you do the same. Snakes around me, had to make a change. They put dirt all on my name. Shit would never be the same, but we won't let them know, no, won't let them know, no, won't let them know, no, yeah. We won't let them know, no, won't let them know, no, won't let them know, no, yeah.
Yeah, I ain't no street nigga, but I've been in these streets, nigga. You can tell from the dirt on my feet, nigga, trying to get something to eat, nigga. Never hit no lady, trying to hit nobody, but I fuck up the beat, nigga. You can tell from the scars on my back what I've been through if ever we meet, nigga. Came from the bottom of bottom, but mine about mine, ask about me in Gotham, about me in Africa. Carry the city on my back, silly wouldn't crack, this is factual. This is the reason you never see me with my demeanor casual. I'm always business, I'm in this to witness, my nigga. Like mama, she been on. She said they gon' try to offend you. What Breezy say about niggas outside of the club who can't get in the venue? As long as I eat without bothering about the prices on the menu, continue, my nigga. Sinzu and Sinzu, Sinzu and Sinzu and Sinzu. Hey.
When times get hard, we don't ever complain. Charge it to the game, do my thing, you do the same. Snakes around me, had to make a change. They put dirt all on my name. Shit will never be the same, but we won't let them know, no, won't let them know, no, won't let them know, no, yeah. We won't let them know, no, won't let them know, no, won't let them know, no, yeah.
Hey, we gon' rock it till the night goes out. And I won't rock you till the night falls down. I never see me kind of go round. But I know me say you no go come around. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, I just wanna get to know you. Ever since time I met you, girl, I feel like I got to know you. And I can't tell you about the love that I got for you, I just got to show you. Think it's something about the way you make me feel every time I hold you. And I promise not to let you go, baby, I just wanna get to know you. Let me turn your dreams to reality. I promise I'll never let you get mad at me. You the reason them other bitches be jealous. Lately I ain't tripping on kicking it with the fellas. When I'm out of town, we be falling asleep on FaceTime. When I moved to Cali, you made me move back to H-Town. Niggas big mad, they hated that.
Who bet I know grew up from here?
Was going out to dinner. My niggas outside, I've been inside all day.
Man, that's crazy.
Swear to God, I ain't finna play.
Wow.
Times when I had to fantasize, grabbing on your booty, pussy dripping out.
What type of rejection is that, man?
It's the first time I've been in touch with my feelings.
So 100 pips down and 100 pips up in like a couple minutes.
Even the 3 minute, I mean, it did reject, but at least come down and feel this week just a little bit more.
Think it's something about the way you make me feel every time I hold you. And I promise not to let you
Oh,
He's
well.
gone.
wanna get to know.
What the fuck?
Wow. Yeah, I was thinking, no, I'm about to take baths. Bro. No, I New York session is like this.
Damn. When I said it's just gonna go straight up and straight down, I meant like to the top, not from here.
Like, what do you mean? Which top? This one
Oh,
right here?
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was gonna go straight up there, straight back down, but it's like nope, just two, side by side candles, straight down, straight up.
We might even break 33.89. Go back up to 33.97. Morning.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Because the sellers couldn't break 33.69.
Yeah.
See.
Troy Aikman here, founder of 8 Elite Light Beer. Listen, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. The Big Light beers are brewed with additives like corn, rice, and sweeteners.
Well, at least the ad didn't, sugarcoat it. It's like this drink's full of additives. So all right.
But not 8. It's additive free. In fact, I'm going to read the entire ingredients list to you right off the box. Water, malt, hops. Huh, that's pretty simple. I wonder why that's so hard for the Big Light beers. 8 Elite Light Beer. Lose the additives, keep the taste. Now available in a slim can. 8 Brewing Company. Please drink responsibly.
It's summer. Time to enjoy long days, lazy nights, and zero cooking.
No, don't
because
drink
Uber Eats has
responsibly.
deals all summer long. So when hunger
Get
strikes,
drunk
don't
and
sweat it.
afterwards go
Delicious
drive.
deals are just a tap away on Uber Eats. Enjoy all your favorite food delivered
Hey, I'm
straight
just
to you.
kidding.
Get Burger King, Subway, Popeyes, and hundreds more local favorites and savor every last bite. Now that sounds like a good summer. Order now on Uber Eats. Terms apply. Product availability varies by region. See app for details.
This summer's another scorcher. The Ultimate Season Pass from TXU Energy is hitting it out of the park with 50% off energy charges
Good
during peak summer
afternoon.
and
I
winter,
mean, good
plus
morning,
more months of
Patrick.
automatic savings.
Savings all season long. That'll come in clutch.
Customers can save more than $450 a year.
So when the summer heat goes into extra innings, the savings come in for relief.
More savings. That's a fan favorite.
Ultimate Season Pass is really bringing the heat.
I think you mean cool. TXU Energy. Energy for everything.
Visit txu.com for more information. Rep number 10004.
At least the volatility on gold now is low, not high as in. Okay. You guys notice that?
Oh.
Did they notice that?
Oh yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah, it's like a little bit less.
I interested last night actually when I was going to trade Asia session. I looked at the stop loss. I'm like, oh, wait a minute. I thought there was a glitch on trading views.
Yeah. Now that you mentioned it, yeah. I remember when I was like looking at it, it's like it moved like a certain distance, and I was like, oh man, that was a big drop in. Oh wait, it's actually like only like 25 pips or something. I was like, oh, yeah.
Good morning, Anthony. Everybody switched to futures? I don't think so. Some people are still trading Forex. But me, I switched to futures completely. I don't trade Forex anymore. It's not even futures, it's not rocket science. Like if you can trade Forex, you can trade futures. You're just gonna have to understand the contract size so you don't end up freaking over leverage. Just because of the spread. Yeah, spread, slippages, freaking crazy commissions, manipulation, yeah, you name it.
You name it, they have it.
Whatever bad thing you can think of, they got it.
Also, you don't have any differences between brokers because it's all the exact same.
Yes. Want to transition as well. A lot of famous traders, they should. And guess what? You can still trade Forex on the side or at the same time if you still want to trade Forex. For trading futures, it also makes filing taxes more easier.
And if you're a swing trader, it's better and worse in a way because there's no swap fees to worry about, but you need a larger account size to be able to swing.
Yeah. I remember in 2007, I think I've said this story before. At the time, I used to stay with my uncle. That was the first time I heard about Forex. I was still living in Nigeria at the time, of course. And my uncle was like, "Oh, okay, how much to start?" And I think, if I can remember correctly, I think that man was like, I think he said 25,000 or 50,000 in Nigerian. No. I think he said 25,000. He said it in dollars. And my uncle was like, "Oh, nah, thank you. No, count count me out. $25,000. Yes. Now, shit, you got $10. You can trade. Oh man, what are you gonna do with $10?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Whilst you trade Forex, you trade futures too.
Yeah.
And then another cool thing with futures is you don't even have to trade a time-based chart if you want to go that route.
Yep.
Forex, you got no choice. You got to trade for. Man, I don't know why New York session does this. It's like it's doing it on purpose, not freaking giving us the setup. Oh man. Well, wish I know how to draw, because I want to draw what I was expecting to hear, but I suck at drawing. Let me just explain it. So when this this bullish candle that's right next to this bearish candle that rejected this support, I was expecting it to either come down, tap this support again, and then flip, or close bearish. Even if it didn't tap this support here, as long as it taps this 5-minute demand and then flip, I will take the bias. But that didn't happen. And if it's not my setup, then I'm not gonna take it. Which firms you guys use for futures? So the broker I use is Trader8, and as far as prop firm goes, you got a Top Step, you got a Take Profit Trader, you got Alpha Futures. I've not used Take Profit Trader, but I have used Top Step, Alpha Futures. I have used Apex, but Apex has another story for another day. And to trade. You're welcome, Anthony. We'll almost be saying bye-bye to this stream right now if this is not giving us what we want.
It's not looking good.
Hold up.
Jesus. Man, you fucking knew it's going straight back up, man. God.
people put you through.
I've been trying to look for a good platform for Forex. Oh man, I've left the realm of Forex. I'm in futures realm now.
Looking at the 1 hour, she kind of above the POC thing, and the volume died down going up. Doesn't mean the supply not strong, since there's no POC in the supply. Oh, so basically, the most volume is down here, and we're breaking to the upside. So, you know, obviously we have way more buyers than we have sellers in this day.
And also, we're doing, like I said earlier, the fact that the sellers failed to break below 33.69, and if you look just from here, which was yesterday Asia session when we created this low at 33.69, and the buyers created the high at 33.97. So these sellers should have been able to close below 33.69. So since the buyers, since they were unable to break below 33.69, I'd expect them to at least take out these sellers above 33.89 and go back to the major highs, at least. But then again, who knows? We can stay in this freaking range and we can do this. Who freaking knows?
I was thinking that's what we're gonna do, but you know, now that I look at your line across those highs, it's pretty straight line. You would think that they'd take that out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Man, if that candle wasn't so ridiculous because of the news, it would have been an easy buy, nice buy.
Yeah. It's like another mountain peak at this supply. Which one? This 30-minute, or are you talking about this 30-minute up here, the one I talked about? Oh, yeah. I would prefer selling from there.
Yeah.
Let's get out of this freaking middle range. Let's go back to the major high of this.
Or ugly.
1 hour hasn't closed yet. Actually, you might sell from here if it does. I'm not interested in taking it from here.
You got too much possible demand zones going on here to sell. So I could reject this area, could reject anywhere in here, who knows?
If you look at the VWAP on Trader Grid, wow, London session, we closed above it, came back down again below, and now we just broke above it again.
Yeah. It's not really, it's like, it does tap it and bounce, but it's not really, it's not respecting it. It's not trending.
Mm-hmm. So this low bounced off the POC. Let's see.
Yep.
Not according to the one here on Top Step.
Yeah, I'm not sure how Edwin does it. Because Edwin's, I think he's using Forex or something.
Oh.
And then I used yesterday's New York. So yesterday's
okay.
New York is the POC is like right here for yesterday's New York.
Oh, okay.
So I guess if you go all the way across, it's like that. Yeah, that's because TradingView's one is kind of bullshit. So if you want to get it as accurate as possible on TradingView, you have to use like the 1 minute chart. And then even then it's like maybe like 90% as accurate as the futures chart of Tradeovate, because obviously it's showing you every single buy and sell.
Hey Zay, how you doing? I'm good, I'm blessed, can't complain, Zay. Yeah, I'm looking for buys right now. Gold should have been selling. Gold does what gold wants. Yeah, she does.
Oh, Edwin asked, are you waiting for news now?
Not yet. 30 minutes before I'll wait. I'll do anything. Yeah. Yeah, Dr. Ill. Thank you for asking.
Well, it's gone. Analysis spot on though.
Yeah. But gold said no setup right now. The worst part is having a correct analysis, but yet you didn't get it set up. And it's kind of loud. Alright, while you're still here,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go use the restroom. YouTube, I'll be right back. Gotta take a restroom break. My get is we should get a setup. Hopefully, we can break and close above 33.89. We will get a setup after that. We'll see. I'll be right back.
Oh. So you gonna be trading Nas, Edwin? Man, there's a lot of people selling gold right now. But it's not going down, so they're probably gonna get destroyed. You're in drawdown? Are you in a sell? Or are you in a buy? Oh, you're selling it. Okay. Well, there is a ton of people selling it. It's like a lot of selling going on. USD very weak. USD. Let's see. Damn, what's the symbol? Ah, DXY. DXY. Oh wow, damn. US dollars under 100. That's crazy. Jesus. It might just like hold up right here for gold. We got a lot of buyers who held up here earlier. And this is basically VWAP. It's like literally right across here. Resistance, and then broke through it. Support, support. Now, maybe support again. But I don't think it really matters today because price is blasting through the VWAP throughout the whole day. Oh, buyers are coming in. Barely any. But that's kind of telling. Not many buyers, but price goes up quite easily. A shit ton of sellers and price struggles to go down. DXY reacting to a 4-hour order block. Yep, everything's probability here. We left DXY correlation in 2023. Man, did we ever have it to begin with? You have to have it before you leave it. Ah. 10 minutes for NYSC. Man, I think if it just holds in this range right now, right here in this range, and it's holding that VWAP, all these buyers are just sitting right at the VWAP, and New York opens, it's gonna just fucking straight vertical. It's gonna annihilate. Oh, they're breaking through. Pullback time. Just before New York NYSE Open, that is. There you go. Use an appropriate, risk. And then you don't have to get too emotional about it. I remember there was like that time, I don't know, it was like several weeks back or months back, some dude was like, I'm down like 50% or 80%. And it's like, what the hell? It hasn't even, and it's like on this one trade that Abe was taking. And it's like, dude, it hasn't even hit stop loss. How the fuck are you down that much?
Oh, I remember that guy.
Yeah. It's like risk this whole account on one trade. I don't remember what happened. I don't remember how it like ended.
Oh yeah, I don't remember that part either. Oh, I think it eventually gave 50%, but I lost that trade because that was when I was being stubborn.
Oh, holding.
That was when I was being stubborn. If I don't get 1-to-1, I ain't closing. NYSE opens in 5 minutes.
Interesting. It's like teetering on the edge of trying to break this little support just before New York. Yeah, 0.5 to 1% of your account size. Seems good. Risk.
what NYSE traders do.
Oh, sellers are probably fucked. Went straight back into range before NYSE.
Come on, go. Just sell and check this one out demand. Just calm down. I won't be trading NQ today, guys. In case we have anyone new here, I don't trade NQ Wednesdays and Fridays, so I only trade NQ, which is Nasdaq futures, traded Monday, Thursday. No, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, so 3 days a week. If not, I'll be looking at NQ right now. So if you're here watching because of Nasdaq futures, there's no need to, except if you trade gold too, or you just want to hang out with us. Two things you get on this stream if you're new here. You get education and you get the chill vibes. Get the chill vibes because, hey, I'm chill. Only when I'm hungry. I mean, I'm chill until I'm hungry. If I'm not hungry, then, oh yeah, I'm chill. You don't even want to get me hungry. If I'm hungry, we're gonna fight. We have to fight. Oh, honestly, that's what I do when I'm getting pissed off. Except if it's a lady that pissed me off, then because I'm not gonna hit a lady. But shit, if it's a dude, we have to fight.
Damn, I identify as a woman. I just want to let you know.
Now, the thing about today's setup is that the way gold looks right now, we could either keep buying or continue selling right now. Because if you look at from the sell side on this time frame, we do look bearish. Even in this range, we do look bearish. However, the higher time frame, you still have that overall bullish trend. That's number one. And then number two, main reason why I am pretty much on the buy side today because of the failure to break this low. And also what happened here. Pretty much created a double top here, and we pretty much now have aggressive buying to the upside. So in order for price to continue to the upside, it has to create another low and then potentially create a higher high. So we'll see if my analysis will be right today. Since we did not get the first setup we're looking for, we'll get it now. $30-minute didn't break that low, 1 hour didn't break the low, 115 didn't break the low. I hope I'm right, because if I'm not, then I guess I won't be trading New York today. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the sell. You too, bro. We got a 1 hour supply there, but it's just that I would rather speak and wait for the buys. Because of what I explained earlier. I swear, Goldie, don't you dare do that shit you did at the previous low. Don't even think about. Don't even think it. Go back down. Yeah, we have news in 20 minutes. Yes, we do. Oh, we're gonna wait for the news.
Damn, look how ugly it is. Jesus. Every candle is like just wicks all over the place.
Oh no, no, the Anthony.
No, it is good. Go right back to that low.
We have 15 more minutes for news. taking Nas today, well, or you waiting for the news? Oh, he must not be here.
Man, Killer Beat's always saying Nas is trash. What did Nas do to you? You must have taken a lot of losses on Nas.
Probably.
Oh, you've never traded it? Damn, that's surprising. Nas is so popular. Oh. I guess Nas is different to like gold and Forex and stuff since it's all the volumes concentrated for like just the New York session.
Guys, I know. Wait. Look. No. I have enough time here. Now, if this thing gets to entry because of the news, you can take it if you want. But I'm only gonna take this on one account. Oh, snap. Do I have time? Uh-oh. Oh, damn it. I recommend waiting for news. And it came back down. Why is it not activating?
5 minutes, 6 minutes till news. All right, 3 minutes.
Yeah, for our is closing in. Oh, you said that 5 minutes ago. It's about to close.
Order filled.
Oh, my
Oh.
goodness.
Oh. I was not expecting this to freaking happen. Wait a minute. Look at where they freaking activated me. 40, 33, 81.4. Oh, man. I was not expecting this to freaking happen. Who else got triggered? Ah. Yeah, I forgot to freaking remove my pending order. Well, okay. What is 33? Well, man. I'm guessing I'm the only one in this already. Usually with news, I like to wait for the first 5 minutes, which is gonna be in 3 minutes. This one, forgot to remove my freaking pending order, so I mean already. But if I survive in the next 3 minutes and we get back to entry, you can take it. Or if you wanna take it now, you can. If you want, whatever you wanna do, wait or take it now. Or if you took it with me, then we're suffering together right now.
Looks good. It's good. Man, how much did you get slipped on that? Because that was a crazy reaction.
So Tradeovate is good. Top step. No, Tradeovate is not good. Wait a minute. What was this entry? I got with 6 on Tradeovate.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. Top step, they got me in lower.
Oh.
They got me in at 33.77.4. And right now I'm just being greedy because he already gave 40 on it, but I'm trying to use what I have on Trading View.
Mm-hmm.
What was the thing again? Before? Your win rate is through the roof ever since you switched to NAS.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Moving stops to break even here. Spam W's in the chat if you took this trade. That's 40 ticks right there.
Beautiful.
Order filled.
There we go. TP smash. Let's go. Keep those W's coming, guys. TP smash. Congratulations. Finally. You guys know what I'm saying? Finally, right?
Yep.
Why? Why do you think?
Because we got that news. We got it.
Yep, we got the news, and also, actually, that was not the reason why. The reason why I said finally was because we finally took a New York session trade since the 20th of last month.
Oh, yeah, damn.
Man. Oh, you're aiming for 1, 2, 3, David? Oh, nice. So, our analysis was on point, and look at what is happening now. Now, there's a higher chance that we could sell from here again, because at this point, I actually don't see this low breaking anymore. I think we are going to keep going up here. We're just gonna what am I looking for? We're just gonna go up, possibly reject this supply, come down, create a support, or if we have a demand, and then we continue to the high side. I don't see gold coming back down to break this low at 33.69. Actually, it's gonna be this low now, 33.66.9. So that'll be my analysis for today on gold. I think it is going to continue to the upside here. You love me? Oh, well, I love you too. No homo, though. No homo. You're welcome, Dr. Ill. That's more like it. Yep, no Diddy. Yep, no Diddy. No
Oh, Didi's
Diddy.
here.
Oh, where?
Zoom.
Oh, nice. Diddy, tell me you caught that trade. Just tell me you caught that trade, Diddy. Damn. Diddy is mad today, so love you when you're winning. So she hates me when we're losing. Okay. So good, so love. I hope. All right, YouTube. I appreciate you guys for, always hopping on, always showing up. All links is in the description. Aside from that, God bless you all. See you guys again tomorrow, and hopefully, God willing, we catch another setup today and we win as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm out. Peace. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow, the London session, and then Asian session tonight. I'm gonna see if I can, catch it set up and send it to you guys.
Yeah, sounds good. Good trade.
Thank you.
Have a good day, man.
You too, and everyone.